guys, welcome to the homework table.
Hi everyone, welcome to the homework table with Emy Girl, and today's lesson is reading comprehension. We're going to read this passage and then we're going to answer these questions. Are you ready for some homework?
Yeah!
Alright, let's have some fun. Alright guys, so let's start with our first reading comprehension package. We always start with our name at the top of the paper, right? Emy Girl wrote her name.
Yeah.
Emery, very good job. Okay, so we have to read this side and we have to answer questions on this side. This is the title of our passage. What is our passage called, Emery? Can you read it for me? What's this word?
The fish.
All right, a little bit louder.
The fish.
How'd you know that? Good job. All right, so this passage is about the fish down here.
Yeah.
So let's start reading this first sentence. Go ahead, start from the left and read to the right.
Jim.
Good.
As.
Has. Good job.
A fish.
Jim has a fish. Good job. Let's move to this section and see if we can answer any questions. Go ahead and read that first sentence for me.
Jim.
Yep. Good job.
Has.
Right.
A.
What does Jim have?
Fish.
Which one is fish? Is this one fish?
No.
Okay. What is this? Read that. What does that say?
Pig.
Good job. What does this say?
Cat.
Can you sound it out for me? I know you know these words, but maybe for kids that don't know these words, can you sound it out for me?
At.
Good job. But what does the S make? So what is this word?
Cat.
Cats. Does he have a cat?
Nope.
No. So what does he have?
He has a fish.
Good job. So circle that one and go ahead and write it in right here. Jim has a fish.
Okay, so write fish.
Yes, right. Fish right on that line. F-I-S-H. Right on, Emy Girl. Good job. Okay, let's go to our next sentence, okay? What does this say? This is a sight word.
The fish
Ish.
is in a bin.
Good job. So what's the sentence? Read it again a little bit faster.
The fish is in a bin.
So the fish is in a bin. Oh my gosh, why is the fish in a bin? Good job, that's a perfect sentence. So how about we go and read it over here, and let's read this sentence, okay? What does this say? We have to kind of answer this one now. What does this say? Sound it out. This is a tough word. So where
is the fish?
Good job, that was perfect. So where was the fish?
He was in a bin.
He's in a bin? Wow, so go ahead and write that word in there. What does bin start with? What letter does it start with?
B.
Good job. Good B. Good handwriting.
Nice job.
I-N.
Bin. Good job. All right, buddy. We got our first two sentences down. Now we have 4 more to go. Okay, we're almost done with our passage. We're almost done with our fish passage. So what sentence is this? Let's go ahead and start here.
The fish can swim.
You are so good at this. Okay, so let's read this sentence. We have to answer this question now. So read it. Go ahead.
At.
Good job. At.
What?
The H
What?
is silent in this word, but that's okay. You'll start to recognize these sight words. So, what?
What can the fish do?
Good job. So, a part of this passage too is memorizing what we read. So, what can the fish do?
Oh, he can swim.
Good job. Which word is swim? Can you point out swim for me? That's swim? All right, so we have to find swim here. Is it A, this word? Can you pronounce this word? Is it?
Sit?
Can he sit?
No.
No, he can't sit. What is that word?
Yes!
That's the word?
Swim.
All right, let's see. What's this other word? Can you pronounce this other word for me?
Rat.
Rat? Just try to sound that out. That's not an A.
At.
That's a U. What does a U make?
Oh.
It's okay.
Run.
Good job. Can he run? Can a fish run?
No.
No way, Jose. So he can swim. This is it. Go ahead and circle swim. Can you spell it for me and then write it?
Yep.
Oh, well, you don't have to write it here. This is another sentence, but can you spell it for me? How do you spell swim?
S-W-I-M.
Good job. Okay, next sentence. We're almost done. Let's start right here. Our sight word we keep seeing. What's this?
The fish can swim fast.
How do you know this word? You're so smart. Okay, so the fish can swim fast.
Yeah.
So let's go down to question 4 and let's read.
The fish can swim
What belongs here in this sentence? Right here. How do we finish the sentence?
fast.
Good job. Can you spell fast for me? F.
F A S T.
Can you show me how to pronounce these words in fast, how you do it in school? What does F make? What does A make?
A.
What does S make? Like a snake, like this, like S, right? And then what does T make? T, right?
No.
No, show me. Oh, T. Okay, and how do you do F?
Wait.
I thought that was S.
Oh.
Yeah?
F?
What is F? Okay, I like that. So fast. And then S with a snake. And then show me T one more time. Good job. So the fish can swim fast. Very good. All right, let's move on to the next sentence. 3 more and we're done.
Okay.
What is this?
The fish will.
Good job. Yes, the fish will.
Wait. Go.
Okay, this is a tricky word. This is a sight word. So this says G-O is go.
Oh.
Can we remember that word? G-O. And this doesn't say in this word. This says itself, right?
Yeah.
You learned that, right?
Yeah, I know. I learned it in school.
You did? All right, so just a little bit remembering. When you learn things, you have to kind of remember things. That's okay. When you practice and you keep seeing it, and you keep practicing homework and you keep watching YouTube videos on things, then you'll learn it, okay? You'll memorize it.
Go.
So the fish will go. All right, let's move on to the next sentence.
The fish will win.
The fish will win?
Yeah.
All right, so let's read this one. Number 5, what does it say?
Oh.
I know, this is a tricky word. So that W is silent in this, and this word is who.
Who?
Yes, we're going to practice this on a sight word. One of our next videos we're going to do is we're going to write a bunch of sight words down, and we're going to practice our sight words, okay? So what about this next word? So it says who.
Wins?
Who wins? Is it this person? Who's this? Read that.
Jim, no.
No, Jim doesn't win. No. What about this one? Who's that?
Oh, wait. Mom.
Mom. Does mom win?
No, Mom doesn't.
No, mom does not win. Okay, so who wins? What's that? What's the last one say?
The fish.
The fish wins. Go ahead and circle that one, right? Is that the right one?
Yep.
Because right here, where does it say the fish wins? Where does it say that? Can you show me in the passage where it says that?
The fish wants.
What?
Win.
Nope. Read that again.
Will
Good job. That's okay. Okay, so the fish will. What's this word?
win.
Win? Okay, so that's where we found it, right here. Last sentence, Emy Girl. Let's finish this passage out, okay?
Okay. The fish will get
Good job.
a
Sound it out.
big pin.
Good. Right here. This is it, right here. That's the big pin. The fish will get a big, what's that word?
Pin.
Good job. Let's read the last sentence, number 6, and let's finish out this passage, Emy Girl. What does it say?
What?
We practice this word up here.
Yeah, I forgot.
You
what
forgot?
that
That's okay.
What?
That's a D.
The
Uh-huh.
O S
Does.
does
Good job. What does
the fish get?
Yeah, what does the fish get?
Pin.
A pin. So go ahead and write that right there. How do you spell pin?
P
P
I
I
N.
N. That's a great job. High five. You did a good job. All done. So we learned that Jim has a fish. The fish is in a bin. The fish can swim, right?
Yeah.
Then what? The fish can swim. What's this word? Sound it out.
Fast.
Good job. We learned that the fish can go, go, go. We learned that the fish will what? What's this word?
What is
Win. Good job. And we learned that the fish will get a big...
pin?
Yay! We read the fishes. Good job. High five. We did homework. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Good job. You got all the questions right. Thank you for joining us at the homework
Homework
table.
table. Bye.
Bye, guys. Thank you.